I'm going to try and destroy evolution in 30 seconds. Evolution is the process by which different kinds of living is believed to have developed from earlier forms during the history of the Earth. The theory of evolution does not pass the scientific method. In order for something to be proven scientific, it has to be both observable and testable. We cannot test or observe something that supposedly happened 60 million years ago. Therefore, evolution is both unproven and unprovable. It can only be accepted through blind faith. The reason evolution gets embraced by many is because it rids of moral responsibility. If Duncan is right, then the book of Genesis is wrong by saying that in the beginning God created man in his own image. And if the book of Genesis is wrong, then everything else crumbles. There's no sin, there's no judgment day, and there's definitely no hell. That means pornography, fornication, adultery, nothing bad, etc. We have guilt-free pleasures and no fear to procreate our species. Here is a scripture that addresses the issue of fake science, and this is what it states. O Timothy, keep that which is committed to that trust. God has entrusted us with the gospel, and we need to make sure we keep it. We should not get caught up in argument about evolution and forget to share the gospel, because the gospel is the power of God to salvation. And Paul continues, avoiding profane and vain babblings and opposition of science, falsely so called. Evolution is portrayed as science when there is nothing of that sort. When someone does not believe, they will be held accountable for every idle word spoken and quickly give themselves into moral depravity. And in their foolishness, they will judge themselves as being intelligent. The scriptures write in the book of Romans, professing themselves to be wise, they became fools. The Bible destroys evolution in one sentence. In the beginning, God made them both male and female. Evolution does not say that. It makes no provision for male and female. The little drawing to prove evolution of the bent over ape standing has no female in it. It's misogynistic. There's certainly no reproduction without a female. So the Bible makes sense in that regard. Y'all stay protected, get your spirit right, enjoy closer.